Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be discussing how to naturally thicken your eyebrows for a fuller, bolder look. If you're tired of using makeup to fill in your brows and want to try some natural methods, then this video is perfect for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Let's get started. The importance of eyebrows. Before we dive into the techniques for thickening your eyebrows, let's first talk about why eyebrows are so important. Eyebrows frame our face, emphasize our eyes, and can even affect how others perceive our emotions. A well-groomed and fuller set of eyebrows can make you look more youthful and put together. Healthy diet and nutrition. The first step to achieving thicker eyebrows is to ensure you're consuming a healthy diet. Make sure to include foods rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E, B, complex vitamins, and biotin, which can help promote hair growth. Foods like nuts, seeds, fish, eggs, and leafy greens are great options to include in your daily meals. Natural oils and serums. Next, let's discuss some natural oils and serums that can help boost your eyebrow growth. One popular option is castor oil, which contains essential fatty acids that nourish and strengthen hair follicles. Apply a small amount to your eyebrows using a cotton swab or clean mascara wand and let it sit overnight. Other oils that can be beneficial for eyebrow growth include coconut oil, olive oil, and vitamin E oil. Eyebrow massage and microneedling. Gently massaging your eyebrows can stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. Spend a few minutes each day using your fingertips to massage your brows in a circular motion. You can also try microneedling, which involves using a derma roller to create tiny punctures in the skin, encouraging cell regeneration and hair growth. Always be cautious and follow proper safety guidelines when using a derma roller. Avoiding over-plucking in harsh products. Over-plucking your eyebrows can damage hair follicles and stunt growth. Try to limit tweezing and allow your brows to grow naturally. Avoid using harsh chemicals or products that may irritate your skin or cause hair loss. Home remedies and dye treatment. Some home remedies can help promote eyebrow growth, such as applying aloe vera gel or onion juice. Feel free to try these treatments, but always patch test any new products on your skin to avoid potential irritation or allergic reactions. And that's it. Those are some of the best tips and tricks for naturally thickening your eyebrows. Remember that patience is key, as it can take weeks or even months to see noticeable results. Keep up with these methods and you'll be well on your way to fuller, bolder brows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time.